How to create or register an account with TransferWise. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is to go to TransferWise. I have a link in the description area here. You can go there and start your process of registering your TransferWise account.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You click on register here, or you go through the transaction process by transferring the money, and it will take you through with a get started button here. You can compare your prices. I recommend you watch these videos here. You'll get a better idea of what TransferWise is looking at doing for you and why it's the cheapest online tool for you to transfer monies to contractors and freelancers and basically transfer monies overseas. So we click on register to register the account. So it's either you go with a personal or business account. So before we start, we will go with a personal account and see how it works with a personal account. As I've said in previous videos, this is a country specific platform. So you have functionalities that is country specific. So you put in your password and country of residence. Why you should put in your country of residence is that they would be requesting for IDs and identification to verify whether you exist and you come from the country you say you come from. So I am in Ghana right now, so I can sign up, and there you go. So after I sign up, I always recommend you watch the video to get to know why you need TransferWise.
Global account to spend, send and receive money around the world with a real exchange rate. Upload your ID to get set up online and get bank details for countries around the world. That means you get a US routing and wiring number, a UK account number and sort code, and other local details with a single click. These are your personal details, so anyone in those countries can send you local money direct to your account with zero fees. You can hold money in your account in over 30 currencies and switch between them in seconds at the real exchange rate, like the one you see on Google, with no sneaky markups. Just our low, transparent fees, always shown up front, so there's never any surprises. With your TransferWise debit card, you can pay in any currency, anywhere. If you have the right balance in your account, it'll use that. Or if you don't have the right currency, it'll automatically convert the balance for the lowest fee, so you never have to worry. We're FCA regulated to keep your money safe, with customer service all around the world. We help over 3 million customers move over £2 billion every month. It's time to say goodbye to hidden fees for good. The TransferWise Borderless Account. Bye-bye bank fees. Hello world.
I have a link in the description area. You can go there and sign up for TransferWise because you're wise. So bye-bye overseas bank accounts. Get paid in Australia, New Zealand, the UK, the USA, Poland and the Eurozone with zero fees. Plus hold and convert 50 plus currencies in your account. So you get started. So not sure yet. Let's see how it works. So basically, we can compare TransferWise fees with other banks. So when you send £250 to euros, TransferWise is charging you £1.54. Barclays Bank is charging you 7.89. Lloyds Bank 18.73. Santander 23.55. There you go. So those charges and fees start to add up. So if you are receiving from Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, euros, British pound into your account, that is free for TransferWise. It's not possible with all these banks. So that is another advantage for you. What is the TransferWise foreign currency account? You send money around the world and avoid the unfair exchange rate set by banks. With TransferWise, you always get a great deal. So you can read and find out how TransferWise match up with other services that you would probably be using already or you have been using already So let's go back to our account here. We can also view the pricing. Okay, so you create an account, it's for free. Hold 50 plus currencies, that also for free. Get a UK account number and sort code, which is also for free. Get a US routing and wiring number or account number, that is also for free. Get a European IBAN, which is free. Get an Australian account and BSB number, which is free. Get a New Zealand account number, free. First fee to send money varies by a currency. So there is a first fee which varies in relation to the currency you are using. You receive monies in euros, USD, British pound, blah blah blah, which is also for free. All these happen, but they are country specific. If you are in a country like mine, Ghana, you can't get a US routing and wiring number. Why? Because probably there may be some security and exchange issues with using a US routing and account number from wherever you are from. That will depend on the country you are in, but for all the rest, it's possible for you to hold accounts in all these places. So that is with the pricing scheme. So let's go into the main account and see how the account works. So we go to the activity. So right from the word go, you can send money directly to anybody, anywhere, even to yourself. So you can send money, receive money, and get a card. You can get a card also with some countries specifically. So for me, I can get a debit card, which they have been advertising and talking about for some time now. It's not gotten to my country yet. So when I click on get a card, they will tell me that it's not ready for me yet. So you tell them about yourself. That is when you have to put in your account, your personal details for them to verify and save these details for you. So let me put in my details here. Your date of birth and your phone number. You save. Okay, so it looks like you have an account already with us. So you have an account already, so it's not possible. You can log into your existing account. So that there you go. But you can do this process, add money, and then you can verify and start using your account. So let me go back to the activity board and try to send money. Yes, so this is the process of sending money from any currency to another currency. So the option is always yours to go through this process. I don't know the currency you want to send, but this is the charges you have to pay with any currency. They will give you the amount you'll be converting, the low cost transfer. If you prefer any other transfer here, look at the charges. But be assured that that's the best you can get on the market. You could save up to almost 37 pounds versus an average bank, and you are receiving this money in a day or two. You can compare the prices or you can continue. So that is how you send money. You either send it to yourself or a recipient, you review, and then you pay. You can pay with a debit card, a wire transfer, that is a bank transfer, or a credit card. You can also link all these to your account. A lot of things you can do with this account. I've been able to do so many things I never thought I could do. You just have to explore and see how best you can maneuver your way through this beautiful processor. Just like we went through the send money option, you can also receive money through the same process. The other person will give you the account details. You add the money through TransferWise. It will be verified. He'll get a notification, and then the money will hit your account on TransferWise. It's as simple as that. Let's go into the debit card. So we are sorry, cards haven't reached your country yet. So that is country specific as well. And if you have recipients, you can add recipients. If you have been paying contractors that you know you'll be paying every month. If you have recurring payments from freelancers or contractors, you can add them, add their bank accounts, and all of that is possible for you to add whoever you want to add as a recipient. So you can just add a bank account or add recipient directly. Let's go on add recipient. You put in their currency, which is which pertains to where they are coming from or their country. Is it a recipient's personal account or business account? Their email, their full name. You can also send it to their bank account. You need their bank details. You put in their bank details here. So if it's an Euro account, then you will need their IBAN. IBANs are long account numbers used by banks for cross-border transfers. This is normally from the Euro zone. Let's say I'm in Ghana. Let me try Ghana here. So you have options for Ghana. We can send it to a local bank account or even mobile money. You just have to put the account provider here. The providers are here: Tigo, MTN, Airtel, Vodafone, and then you put the phone mobile number there, and then you can send the money to the recipient. So there you go with TransferWise and how you can send money to them. So as we have created a personal account, you can also create a business profile, and then there you can get the Borderless account. The Borderless account is when you can send money to someone in another country, but not send the money directly. TransferWise has accounts in all these countries. They will take the money into their account and send the money from their account to your recipient. So you don't have to send monies directly to your recipient, which comes with huge margins and charges from exchange rates. The Borderless account relieves you of all those exchange rates, and you pay the interbank charges only, which is equivalent to what you see on Google and SC.com. So you can go through that process as well, go through your settings. So basically that's how you register for a TransferWise account. It's very simple. Explore and find more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments area. Subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and we'll see each other in another video where we explore other options you can have with TransferWise. And with that, I wish you well. Have a nice day. Enjoy.